Yo, 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 what up, YouTube EX? It's your boy Daddy Easy here, iPod jailbreak hacker, otherwise known as Only Use Me Tomahawks. Some of you guys may know me as Easy, like I always say, to the black, to the blue, my avatar on my YouTube channel. Yeah, buddy. So I'm back with another video for you guys right now, and as you can see, we're about to do another unboxing, and this unboxing is basically very, very special to me. So, at no further ado, we're going to get down to the nitty-gritty down, Betty. So let's actually move this out the way. So let's just turn this off real quick, move this all the way to the side because I'm going to need a lot of room. All right, so you already see the title, you probably already see the thumbnail, everything like that. So let's just give you a fast breakdown. I'm going to put a timestamp on it so you can skip if you don't want to hear the backstory. So when I was a kid, I always wanted the freaking Graflex, right? So one of the lightsabers I literally always wanted was the Luke Skywalker Graflex lightsaber. And I remember as a kid, I used to like stand on the table and always wanted to play and, you know, act like Luke Skywalker and stuff. This is like in the early 80s, all right? This is the first lightsaber right here I got. Shout out to my guy Graven right there, hooking me up with this lightsaber right here, the Graflex right there. Purchased this from him. Then I purchased more and more sabers, and I started doing the Joe Jedi and stuff like that. I started building lightsabers. If y'all don't know what the Joe Jedi lightsaber is, it's basically something that they were selling at Radio Shack at the time. So I wound up constructing this construction right here. It has another part on here. I just took the part off here, but this is something I built out of just parts from the Joe Jedi saber. So yeah, that's one of the funny things with that one. Then I started buying more replicas and stuff like that. I have, when I say sabers, I have a lot of sabers. Then I wanted the Anakin Skywalker lightsaber. So we come down to this one right here. So this is the Anakin Skywalker lightsaber right there. As you can see, AKA the Skinny Flex. Then I started wanting more. Then like after I seen Luke Skywalker's, the Anakin's lightsaber. I remember the first time I seen Star Wars Episode 1, The Phantom Menace, then I brought this one. So now I do sell my own lightsabers. This is one of the sabers that I am selling. That I'm working with a third party and stuff like that. So yeah, I came across this one. I wanted that one. For some reason, I didn't have a taste. So like I said, when I was younger, I basically wanted the Luke Skywalker Graflex, right? So like when I was growing up, I didn't really go about this one. As you can see, this one, this is the Luke Skywalker Return of the Jedi, and he used it after the movies after that, and so on. The last time we seen this lightsaber was, I believe, after Return of the Jedi. I forgot the name of the movie, The Last Jedi, Rise of the. I don't remember the freaking. I don't remember the movie. It was that trash though, but yeah, like this is the lightsaber I wanted after, so I got this one. This is also part of the store that I'm selling lightsabers in. So I'm not getting out the way. So I wanted another lightsaber that had a crystal chamber. I want to buy this one right here. This is a Stormtrooper saber. As you can see the Stormtrooper logo and stuff like that. You know, Sith and all that extra stuff. Stormtrooper. They have another one, which I am going to be buying that. But when I was growing up, and there wasn't really a lot of Star Wars games out there, right? I seen this one right here. This beaut. I'm about to show you right here, right? After playing the game, Star Wars The Force Unleashed, I always wanted the saber, but at the time they never made it. So growing up, I forgot how old I was when I played this. I was probably like 19 or 20, I don't remember when The Force Unleashed came out, but I wanted this lightsaber. So I already talked so much. I spent 4 minutes. Like I said, I'm gonna put a timestamp on it so you guys can skip it. But every time I went on the website to go buy this lightsaber, they never had it in stock. Or when they did have it in stock, it wasn't the one-on-one. The one actually looks like what Starkiller actually made of his master, which was Vader, and how Anakin had his saber. So now, if I unbox this, I'm excited to open this, and I'm kind of not excited. The reason why is because the videos that they sent me. Now I'm working with this company. I sell them. If I like it, I will be repping them out big time and I will be working with them if I like it. After seeing the videos with this, the hilt was like extremely big, right? You gotta remember, these are Asians. Their hands is a lot smaller than mine. I have very large hands. I have mittens, baseball glove hands, as you can see. So I'm not gonna hold you up no more. Like I said, I'm gonna put a timestamp on here so y'all can skip it so you don't have to listen to me ramble. But at no further ado, I'm excited, and I'm not excited, but I'm more excited. Let's see. Okay, how do we open this? Oh, it's upside down. It's upside down. Okay. There we go. All right, here we go. Oh. This case, I'm mad because DHL ripped my box, man, and I wanted this box. This is the sabers they sell. You can literally see right here how much these sabers cost. These are just hilts. You want electronics and stuff on it. I just don't like the smell, how the smell comes with some of these things. Get the battery charger right here. The only reason why I got the gloves on is because I don't want to touch the saber, but we're gonna get that. We get the tools. Get a blade plug, which I'm gonna take that out right now. Put that to the side. I do like that blade plug. Got a 32 inch blade right here, which I am gonna unwrap this soon. We get a card. I believe this is a scratch card. Scratch cards for personal use only. This cannot be exchanged for cash. I guess this is a discount card. So, here we go. Oh, this thing is heavy. And it is big. I ain't gonna cap. It is big. Oh man, this thing is big. That's what she said. I might have to take the gloves off to unwrap this plastic. This is the part of the video that I always hated. I learned my lesson last time opening up my own Luke, Return of the Jedi. I thought I scratched it, but I actually didn't scratch it. It just had some personal marks on it. What I am going to do this time, instead of using a freaking knife, I'm going to use a pair of scissors. And why is this scissor not sharp? We're going to stay away from that metal. We learned that lesson last time. Okay. We're almost there. We're almost there. Okay. There we go. Oh, yes. So I want to see, is this as big as my Luke's? Yes, it is. Jesus Christ, this is a big saber. What about my Obi-Wan? Yup. And what about my Stormtroopers? Yup. So, here we go. I mean, I told you, I got large hands. This is meant to be held like this, so that's how STARKILLER holds it, basically like that, but I like it. So, let's see if it's on. Nope. Nope. Okay. You know what? I'm a dum-dum. I'm a dum-dum. So this is why I kind of looked at it, because there's some dirt on here, which I'm gonna have to clean that up. So it looked like they was playing with this because I didn't have it. Well, you can get this in different colors though. So let's just unscrew this. Can this be unscrewed? Okay. Let's.
I don't fear you, Jedi.
Okay. I believe this one goes. Trying to see exactly how this goes in there. I think it's any type of way. Okay. Let's power it up.
I wasn't planning on killing you, but you make it very tempting.
Ooh, this thing is loud. Woo. Ooh, this thing is loud. It's loud.
I'm a Jedi, like my father before me.
Okay. Oh, yeah. Wow, that sucker is loud. Well, that front is a little bit different compared towards this one. I'm gonna play this one for you.
Power on. Volume low. Mute. Volume high. Moonfield.
Okay. There we go.
Like my father before me.
There's a whole different front on this one. Yeah, this thing does have some scratches on here. So it does have some things on here, which I am going to let them know that it is scratched up a little. And it does have marks and stuff on here. Alright guys, there we go right there. That's it right here. And I'm going to catch you guys later. This is a big saber. It's a big saber. I'm not going to lie. It's big. Alright, so I'm going to try to clean this up a little bit. Just show them some of the marks that's on here. Basically, it's a mark here. Scuff 30 here. These are not the scuff marks like if it was to be like what's the one I'm looking for, as it was supposed to come. No, this is actually dirt and stuff on here and actual marks. So yeah, I'm gonna try to clean it up. Oh yeah, also I'm gonna be removing this and buying a purple one, or I'll probably just go about doing this myself and doing it. You can get these in different colors. These sabers come in multiple colors. The chamber you can get in on different colors also. And I'm gonna catch you guys later, guys. That's it. And I'm out. Deuces. Wow.